Kublai pi baro pia pe igri khasi channel ban yuan rasha pi ka thuk khubor jagni Taiew menta. Ki phangi bokong san. Rakhi ka jilla Meghalaya ya ka Republic Day. Pentikna u DEO ka ribhoi ban penlong ya ka election MLA arhajar arpulai ka bakhoj bat ka bayad bed. Daki pho hajar tut kinong krishan ke NPP shagajing lang Hagaro Hills. Pelat manifesto ka seng TMC bo shipotali ki mat ki bakong san hakmat ki pajba. Mensaw langut haga jinga tukho kali ha dulong nar. Haga sports prangut ikina najala kin mikmat igajala haga 47th Junior National Carom Board Championship. Bat kiwei de ki Khubor. Ngine pai mentash ki Khubor bania. Ka jilla Meghalaya menha ka arpo hundriutri mentau benai ke lalingkot arhajar arpo lai kalai snokti bat ka ri India barok away ha ka ban rakhe ya ka Republic Day bat ya ka tega jing rakhe ha ka tega sngi la penlong hamadan polo.
Kindly rise as we welcome him. Receiving our chief guest today is the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, Shri CBC Sadhu, and the Superintendent of Police, Dr. M.G. Raghavendra Kumar, along with the Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Shri D.P. Walang, and Shri L.R. Bishnoi, the Director General of Police.
Kindly remain standing for the unfurling of the national flag to be followed by the national anthem.
Hagani kasi lawan berjadon bentalang daulat kejelau BD Mishra haga bola penher reklama jagabi India bar priang ru ek saliut. Hagani kasi laidon lang ru Chief Secretary kejelau ba DP Walang ki officer sarkar ki rang ba pulit bar ki he sipai. Ban pensyong kun shushu egane kasi laidon ke jingpen ie ki tablu na ki trat sarkar ba pher bar kumjur ru ki jingshat terai na kani kejelang. La samru ki kusna Meghalaya Day Award bar ki de.
Indian Reserve Battalion from Arunachal Pradesh, led by Sub-Inspector Mojan Moyong. Followed by the contingent of the Boys NCC, led by Senior Under Officer Shri Subhas Kumar. And the JNV Mauplang School is being led by Mr. Walambok Nongkar. The border wing of the Home Guard is being led by Havaldar Prafula Pasumatri. Is presented by the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. The growing unemployment in the state and the increasing number of youths desirous of entering the workforce each year is a big concern, not only to the state but the nation as a whole. The Taiew represents the skill development program under Skill Meghalaya.
My dear citizens, by way of good news on this occasion, it is heartening that for the first time this year, India has assumed the G20 presidency. G20 is the leading forum of 20 countries for deliberation and coordination of core economic and policy issues. It is proud moment for every Indian that our country is now recognized as a global leader. India theme for the G20 presidency, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is one earth, one family, one future. This in itself is a reflection of the rich cultural value system of our society. This year, as part of G20 presidency, India will host over 200 meetings in over 50 cities across 32 different work streams, which will give a good glimpse of the rich India's cultural heritage and diversity to the two G20 delegates and guests. Remember, they for sure will become our admirers and ambassadors. As part of G20 programs, Shillong will be hosting the Space 20 program on 17th and 18th of April 2023. This program would be in continuation of Space Economy Leaders Meeting held by the National Space Agency of G20 countries in 2020. It was initiated with the aim of eventually making space economy as a formal agenda item of G20 summits.
Ka Jila Meghalaya menha ka arpo santarik ubanai ka lalingkot menta ka snem 8,000 arpo lai kala penlong ya ka jing rakhe ya ka National Voters Day ka bakhat lai ka phang pedeng jong ka ni ka jing rakhe ka long vote for sure, nothing like voting.
Yakani ka program la pulong da ka office jong Chief Electoral Officer ha Assembly Secretariat ha ka yeng Assembly ka barim ha khandai lat ukong san ha ka ni ka sngi ulong Chief Secretary ka Jalao ba DP walang ubala play ru ye ka jingyai rali ki kali handai Hagani ka sngi uba DP walang ula samru ye ki epic card shaki nong tap vote ki ban tap hakasen ka beningkong shaki kinthei bar kumjuru shaki nong shong shnong ki blasan narang ba la samru ye ka khusnam hagani ka sngi shaki nong job ki blai shem banta haka National Voters Day run habakran hagani ka sngi u Chief Secretary ula ban halor ka jingdan kam jong wei po wei unong shong shnong jong kari bar penan kam hok yala ka jing tap vote.
Remember to exercise your right to vote, and like our dear CEO said, as Sir had said once before, I always remember this, he said this, that your choice is your voice and also your right is your might.
And yes, participated. The Super 6, let's not forget about the Super 6, yes, transparent participation.
Ban pintikina ba ka jingpin kre na ka banta ka election MLA 8,000 arpo lai ka long ka bayat be ka bayat renti bar rukum ju da ka jing thmu ban pelat na ginu ki jing thmu ki bas new ki bala ban pengop bat pen bi ye ki pat ba nong thep vote na ka liang jong ki bor penya district ka ribhoi district ne ka district election office jong ka ka district kilanang tre shitom shu ban pet perman ba ka ni ka jing thmu ban penlong ya ka ni ka election mentaus nem ka bayat be bayat renti bat ka ba khoi ka basuba
Habakran Kinong Thok Khubor, Arpet Upadhyaya, Kumu District Election Officer, but Kumjuru Deputy Commissioner, Uloang Bakanika Office, Kalashim Kia, but Pet Permani Kine Baro, the Kajingi Treshitom Lanki Sector Officer, Ki Magistor, but Ki Returning Officer.
So, as you know, that Election Commission of India has announced elections for the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on 18th of January. So, since then, the Model Code of Conduct has been enforced. and the district administration of Ribui has taken all the necessary steps to enforce the MCC. All the sector officers, all the zonal magistrates along with ROs, AROs, they are all on the field and for strict enforcement of MCC. I would like to bring to your notice that this year we are having, there has been a change, and for especially voters which are of senior citizens and which are differently abled. So for them, they have been categorized as absentee voters, and now they have an option to use the postal ballot also. So for this, Form 12D has been given to all the BLOs, and they have been trained also, so that they can go and meet each and every individual person who is eligible for absentee under this category of absentee voters, and they can exercise their vote, or whether they want to go to the polling stations or they want to exercise as a postal ballot. So for this also training and all has been already done, and again we will have one more round of training for all the BLOs, and we want to make it a very inclusive elections and free and fair participative to ensure this thing. Along with that, I will also like to tell you that all our election expenditure management teams are there on the field, and since then we are taking extra caution to seize materials which can have undue influence on the elections. So in this line also, just on the 18th itself, Ribui police, we seized around heroin that was worth 1 crore rupees, and on 21st also we had seized around 570 grams of gold, that is around 30 lakh rupees. Along with that, daily vice raids are being conducted by the police and by the excise department to control any flow of liquor which can have undue influence on the elections or to incite people and all.
State President Jongka Bharatiya Janata Party Uba Ernest Mauri ula therting yaka Chief Minister Jongka West Bengal kabri ruka chairperson Jongka Trinamool Congress ka Mamata Banerjee halor ka jingkan thok Jongka ba Menteri Rang Badu Jongkari India Narendra Modi umdei unong India.
Uba Ernest Mauri uloong ba ka Trinamool Congress kami na Kajala West Bengal bar kibreu Kajala kimpala ban priang yakani ka sengsai perthai. Uloong ru ba ka Mamata Banerjee ka krani ki kintin nambar ka Kirshani ki nong Bangladesh.
The people, even if you go to the rural area, people talk about BJP. It is not like TMC, no? Mamata Banerjee, she used to quote that. Even the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, she quoted that he's outsider. And the BJP is outsider party, which we are opposing. We are the national party. The Prime Minister, how can you keep the statement Prime Minister is outsider? In that way, Mamata Banerjee, she is more outsider than him. And the origin of the TMC, it is from Calcutta. And why she keep the statement that to the Prime Minister is outsider? Because she is pro-Bangladeshi. She supports the Bangladeshi. That's why she keep the statement. So it is the party which is based only in West Bengal. Here the people do not accept the TMC. And they have bring that V card and E card, which is already in West Bengal is failed. It failed in West Bengal. Do you think that people here in Meghalaya, they will follow that trust, which already failed in West Bengal? And the law and order in West Bengal is very deteriorating. And I think now West Bengal government is the most corrupted government in India.
Ki nongtre hapo ka office tre kam jonga Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council manha ka arpulai tre mentau banai ka laling kot 8,000 arpulai kilami shabar bat penlong ka jing sangi tre kam bat penlong pen ban no da ka jing ya ki naga benta bandawa ba on pelait no ya ki area bat ya ka DA ka jongki ka ba kila deben yo andre ka bla sakut menta la kumbashi snem.
Hagani kasngi kini kinong tray kilami shabar bansange yaga kam jongki habaikram OCM ka KHDC batita Starwell Khan uloong ba kinong tray ki don hok ban mi ban yakhi henle don kam ban yaj pat dakalanti ka badai kata ban pintip shwai ki bor pen yaj Kenang bakin yo ban perkhat halor ke jingdawa jongki. Na kaliang ke jong ula kular ban persyang ban penkloy ban penbiang ke tulop jongki. Ban namar kani ula kerpat ru yeki bakin yaisha Khubor.
Di kadau ke banding kong hi kalong ba ki kwa ya ke ban yo no ya ke area bat ya ke di ke jongki. Kumba ke di kala ada mo kala dehi ban yo. Ba kani ke area ra kumno kala sakut mentala kumba sisnam. Te hoi kadai ka hok ka jongki ni nakaliang ka isi ngi mong ba kam dei ka hok kadai sya ka hok ba ki dei ro ban yakhi idei hok ro ban yakhi jang batang ka wei ka long ba kim sim pen bana alpa la ni kim sim methu lupa yang ba kan don ka ni jeng yakhi la ni kam don ka nu ka ultimatum ka ba hakini kisi la dep ban ong ba ngin yakhi no namal ba pim ai kata tere kumanga ong ba kadai ka hok jongki bat ki don hok ro ban yakhi ya kata ngam sau tenre ka akuar pa kalong ba kide ban pentip shwa yang iga authority bala kumno ngin yo perkhat kan ten re ngim dei bang isu syong keliti kumang laong ba ngim syong perkhat ya ka jing ka jongki nama ke area kam dei tang jongki kadon jongki ex MDC ru tiba la audit sakun nang ta kadon ke area jongki MDC ru te gini ke area bar khoi ki sakut lu kadau kalong ka baning kong kadau kalong ka jing bom don pisah Kajing bom dan pisah pak kadai kadau baka sorkar kami sem pelaj ya ka share ka jongi jong usnem arfu we jong usnem arfu lai kabangi yo menta kalong ka share jong arfu we arfu kabangi dang yo dang men ha ka ni December last December dina ta kadau ka bu jing bahayang ini langin manit saya ketulop ne ngin manit saya kata ke area dina ta kadau kajing kerpat yang ai ki staff kalong ba lakum numno to yasha sipor ngin persyang rei kabanga kerpat iki kalong ba tang baya ka tulop pat ngele iban penbiang nau mo no we benai su we benai bakim dei bandu tulop bala da kidu tulop pat te kalong jing bakam karau rei lagi du tai area bakim pat yo kampat dakta te den rei ka jing kerpat ngai ki pat kalong ba ngong to yasha sipor
Daki hajar ngut ki pat ba nong kesan kaseng NPP kilami banya shimbenta ha ka jingyalang pat ba ka balapelong da kani kaseng menha ka arpo lai treatment tau benai kala lingkar hajar arpo lai ha adogre East Garo Hills district.
Yakni ka rally ka seng NPP ka lapulong kum ka jing sedang ka jingalap election jongka. Ya ka bala sedang no menteri rangba ka jela ukon ke sangma. Kum bajule ka NPP ka ju sedang ka ni ka jingalap election jongka na adogre ka badon hakar kata constituency. Hakani ka si lawane shibentar ki kirtong jaka ni ka seng sain perthai kintup na khasi ba Taiew Hills district.
Madam Mamta Banerjee, that many leaders have joined you today. Many leaders from different political parties have joined the TMC. But let me tell you, and this is not Conrad Sangma saying it, this is the word in the market. And you can ask anybody, you have a lot of people in different networks. They will tell you that most of these leaders who have joined the TMC today have already planned to leave the TMC after the elections. They are already in contact with different political parties. They are already talking to many people. I am not saying this. This is the word in the market, in the political circle. It is my duty to give you a warning if I hear this kind of news. And it is true. So the question is, will you want to work the way you are planning to and invest, knowing that all these people will ultimately leave you after election and they are already in touch with different political parties? Please find out for yourself.
Uba sambor lang ding do bolong ukertong ia ka kerteng jong ubala penbena da ka seng TMC na pentorum kra constituency minta ulami no anak ka seng bat ularai benyakuna ka election MLA minta kasnam arajar arpulai kumu kertong shimen
Habagran haklat thai Khubor hak arp sautri uklaling kor arajar arpulai ulong bagajing mi ka jong u na ka seng kalong bo umsoya ha birukom yakun election da ka baya kawakti yakiwe pat ki para kertong la kalong na kanu ka seng sain perthai Dia halor gani kan nongrem bo ulah shemya karai benya kunno kubu kertong shimet.
Te kumapi lai kini ki kinyat benai berada ada gedung sekretariat kongres hak apotoi Ogos abjak kuah te keren kinyat ideologi juga kebangso bakal lain tu ka parti te jungan ni kenti ngapa pencai pi ba gani kunno ikni election amsu nak ketemu kongres menteri kumu kertong shimet. Jadi kita bang arah hidup bazang ni jingkisha te hakini ki benai belayat ngai hakini beberapa kali ki azam lu dia ka lagi public meetings ke jong ke ba instana jadi untuk kalau baki lajur pat ini ki mat singing politics kata ke jengi kuangti te dapat kenal hi kam ke jongi ilayat ba sam kamti nduk tu kapor bangi yarap ki driver taksi bangin penhab dor ke petrol dapat kenal tu sudah manjar ho te wat tu kapor ngiyak bet daka mensim ke murid ni kerpat murid bet ki bor ki ba ki beri kepada nak kebun mah ataupun nak mau aktu kerali bilik yang kami kira joint action committee commercial vehicle so wala kadai makna jing persa sarkaru hendringi kerpat pada dak masih bersemuran ya sarkar bukan penhab dor ke petrol ke mapikan mawi I penhab ya ke megalia value tax te garur back yang kedor ke petrol tapi kita taksi hiyo apa yang bikin kemai kembali kemai jadi nang tu kawan yang seketua sektor dom ke baru dah kababurong yang Deputy Commissioner buat dia Agriculture Minister ya ketua bini play ketua Sam Hamti Farmers Market tu niat yang dah jegepat bersemurid bikin irap halor ke jingek je penongrak te kembali saki ayok ko order bini play ketua Sam Hamti Farmers Market ketua yo je penongrak buat ni ayok bini play te hak ni benar belayat pada ni layak jadi kam election tinggi suatu I buat ni keren ni nong teka majong ru ba inum dan kata kajing yeben ikwi candidate ini ai bida ka ideologi jong da kajing start le jong bangin pen sutu be ikipat ba do kinong dan jong ba kanum dan kanu kajing over commitment bangin over commit nak kalian kajing iki pat ba inum dan kajing kular bangin lemlak pendong andian ma ingin stick back to our own script ingin ya ka election campaign le jong ru halor kajing kular ke bangin sutu ila bangin penulong katahi
Usaling sangma ubalong MLA ka seng NCP menhaka arpulai treatment tau benai kelaling kor arhajar arpulai ulah hiar syukino kum MLA ka gambegre batlet berpenyes no ila dia ba ka seng kongres
Ya kashithi ino akam jong ulalit ban IT House Secretary ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly usaling ulong bo unsa penyeso pat ila dia bat ka seng Congress
especially the NCP it seems like they are not serious whereas I just cannot take right along with the with them actually, because my objective is to change, at least do some kind of reformations to the people. If the Delhi is not that serious, why would I go with them? My whole objective is for the people. If, to bring about the changes, I need a serious player actually, a bigger platform. Now with NCP, it seems like I'm stuck. I just cannot spread my wings, So that's the reason why I'm resigning from the NCP and then even from the MLAs as an NCP MLA today.
Why Congress?
Everybody has left Congress, and yet I'm, instead going back. It seems like maybe somebody might be thinking I'm a fool or maybe an idiot, but it will definitely give a little bigger platform than the, NCP. That's why I'm choosing. Because my whole objective is for the people only. I want to do something for the people. That's why I need a bigger platform. So at least with Congress, there will be we actually, not I anymore. You got my point? Right now with NCP, I'm totally alone. Only I. So with I cannot do, especially in a democracy. So we need a team. That's why at least I'll have a team in Congress. So that way we can say that we can do something for the people of Meghalaya.
Kumba Sanphongut Kinotre Jonka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP but Jonka Nationalist Congress Party NCP Manakasi Thoding Jonka Taiew Kilalit Ban Pinyasno Eladi Shakaseng Congress Ha Congress Bhavan Kini Kidena Penthorum Kra constituency.
La Priang Snobhaya ki ha kanegasngi the working president ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Pinchangai Langs aim. Habakran ha kanegasngi uba Pinchangai uloang bada ka jingwan pinyaso kini kitakot kaseng Congress kanang yobor ban job iki election.
Former members of NCP and BJP that have joined with the Congress party from Phnom Kra to support me, the Congress candidate, during this election 2023. I highly appreciate Freddy Rumnong, others politicians. They are in hurry to decide and contest election in Phnom Kra. I think with the very single agenda, not to win the election, but to lose in the election, for the benefit of any other candidates. But we are very happy to see Freddy Rumnong join with the Congress party with the very intention to see me win during this election. So I hope that the joining of former BJP members, former NCP member from Phnom Kra will be a great impact for the Congress party in Phnom Kra to win during these elections. We have many issues to be addressed. Phnom Kra has been 25 years under by-elect as the MLAs. I will not say anything. I think people of Phnom Kra will know better regarding the lack of development in Phnom Kra.
But one joins Congress party, they then kajing sadien kajong Phnom Kra constituency. Kabare sila banong kadai gawin na constituency ko sadien tam maka sorslong bagi kapsar hilo. Mentara artisans na kumbang yatim syuting MLA ini we celebrate yang silver jubilee mana. Hendai ke Phnom Kra kumtai du kasadien artisans na. Mensura rangi ekran di Phnom Kra constituency kadai gawin na constituency kabaka scope dan expand ke dana. Namar balai artisans na mensura kita ka dalam freely available lama no. Dan ni dagi day penting very low price. Hendai susi penong bakam dan kawai tak ibe madan mela kai kelukna. Kam dan kawai hukum ihol bobek bebiang. Kaba kikna kila banyo banle jele kai ta kihol kibalong indoor stadium kibala menongkom indoor stadium mo ki kihol. Kung kata amdan kawai do Phnom Kra
O Nationals Vice President Jongka Singh Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Ubaderu Banpet Yakajala Meghalaya na Bandakatika Singh UM Chuba Ao Manakasi Thodin Jongka Taiew Ulapan Pawa Ompat La Bankren Shai Netikina Lagasing BJP Kandang Yasno Bantre Kamlang Bagasing NPP Hadin Kenika Election MLA Mentakasnyam Arhajar Arpulai
Unay lam ulo ang bahakano kano kajia kun election kidan kam ban yakun persya iwe. Henry Hadien ki election on sala banrai ya kajinga treikam. Ulaban ru baha ki jala ki barit ki seng sen per thei kham tam e ki seng riulum ki dan kam ya ka seng BJP ban senchar ya ka jala.
See, we are comfortable to win complete majority. So when come, we are the national party. All the regional party we have to take together because we are not that type other party that we will not take them. We will not this one, but we'll compromise everybody together because we have to run the country.
But looking at an instance of Manipur, where BJP was part of, NPP was part of BJP-led government then, but later after the recent election, NPP was not included. So, do we see this same situation is going to happen here?
No, that is Manipur was different. There was a pull out the government and try to disrupt this BJP set. That is why there was a little bit, the chemistry didn't work. That is why they can now support it, no problem. For that. So in Meghalaya, it never happened like that.
But what made the BJP keep saying that without BJP there will be no government in Meghalaya? What made it say like that?
See, small state, regional party, or maybe some local party, whatever it may be, small state, running a state, it's very difficult. We have to depend on 100% depend from the center. So that is why we are the national party. When we are in power, definitely they need our help. Without us, so they cannot go to Delhi. So that is why without us, so they cannot form the government.
Manaka Arp South Rik Mentau Benai Kelalingkot Arhajar Arpulai Kaseng Trinamool Congress Jongka Jela Meghalaya Kala Pelat Yaka Manifesto Ka Jongka Naga Benta Ka Election MLA Arhajar Arpulai Ka Bansalong Benai Banwan Ubenai Rempang.
Katu kani kimat jong kani manifesto ki kentuk ya ka jingbut Khubor hi kenthei bar ki samla ka jingsan char ka khoi ka bha kamyat jong ki nong rap ka shong suk shong san jong baro ki nong shong shong ka jala Meghalaya ka kwat ka khia ka pule ka puthi bar ki wei de la kentuk ru ya ka jingpun trei kam ya ka village administration bill ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act 2016 But kumjuru banpu eki police check post haki jaka kaput but bantung eki committee na kabenta ke jingpin tre kam no eki inner line permit haki jala Meghalaya.
After this 2023 election, as we form the government with the mandate of the people, for which we have no doubt, we will carry forward this agenda of serving our people with utmost sense of sincerity, honesty, and integrity. We will build this state with the blessings of our people, and we will live up to the expectations of all our brethren.
First of all, let me point this out at the outset, that these are pledges, not promises. When a political party makes a promise, we all know how they are and whether those promises are being delivered and honored at a time when they form the government. When we make a pledge to ensure that till the last drop of our blood, we fight to ensure that they are being implemented to the last person we have promised this pledge to. So let me first take you all through the 10 pledges for peace, 10 pledges for prosperity, 10 pledges for Meghalaya's progress, and 10 pledges for Meghalaya's pride.
Menhaka Arpo Santri Mentau Benai Kelalingkot Arhajar Arpo Lai Hakapor Kumba Hinyau Dunai Amen Step Kaladon Kawai Kajinga Toko Kali Hakashnong Dulong Nariboy District Hapdeng Kawai Mahindra Scorpio Bat Katrong.
Hagani kajing jalangot ki besong haka Scorpio kila mensau ba lalira eki Bethany Hospital Nongpo. Karkum kajing olong Khubor long bahakate kasi Kaladon kajing penkenria ya karukam ya kali nakadaw badang shnai kate kasurok ba. Kumta ye baro ki kali na do umdi har hadu dulong nar la penyaj hakaju kasurong. Kate katrok hakajaka bakanya chakaliang kadiang kalaya chakaliang kamon ba namar kajing bakla jong driver kane katrok kane kajing ja pasosi kalaja.
Sahakawi pat kajing jaya tekuk kali kebelajar menhaka Arpo Hundri Teri Mentau Benai Kelalingkot Arhajar Arpo Lai Arngut kibriu kila mensau hadian bakawai katrok kalalit bentenra ya kaskuta hakabakila shong. Kani ka skutar kada new number ML not san B san san iwaisan bar kani ka trok kabalik tenra pat kada new number ML not san S sau sau khandai lai kat kum ka jio lum Khubor no ong bakate ka trok kala thmu ban phet no na kate ka jaka hadian kani ka jingja hindai da ka jingstat jong ki pulet ka umsning kila la ban bat e kate ka trok milai poi mentash ka Khubor sport Prangut ki khana na jala Meghalaya kinsa lit ban mi khamat ya ka jala ka 47th Junior National Carom Board Championship kaban salong ha nongba Mumbai. Habai kren beginong thok Khubor kino yalam jaka sang Meghalaya Carom Board Association kilai thu begini kino ya shimbenta kinmi na kani ka nongba ha ka atpu pratre ukalaling kot mentau benai. Kilong shishu bakani ka tournament kan long nadu ka shitarek urumphang barkan kut hadu ka sautarek urumphang araja arplai.
ka jukot jongi pi akan ke sini kalong ban pesau pesap ban penmerai sigi pan strong joka jala jongi ba ka team jongi juniors but youth kibai dia kerombot kini ban sip pentah ka 47th junior national kerombot championship te kan ke team kan sa mi la sai ke sini bahkan poi Mumbai kalau Patrick nak mentah ke tournament man sedang menuka sitrik atau pasau trik te kemokalong jingsa kini kena bagi donlah hani bagi select kidai nak mentah ke sub juniors but juniors nama aku mungkin sudah mixem bermacam kisah simi juniors sub juniors dari garang kelah ni kesnem nak kalian juga on dia competition apa kalau perlong ya ke juniors but youth kamu perlong ya sub juniors but juniors te nomor begini kena kita ingin ada ban select untuk penai September nak mentah balik na national dengan sub juniors te ni ban sing yang ban upgrade iki ni ban rah iki na keran ki ban sub juniors begini nak mentah under 18 bagi juniors but ini bagi juniors ni rah iki seki kamu cara youth kepada mo ki bagi under 18 ni rah je ke youth te kadang-kadang jenglet storm juga ASEAN ni berawai nomor kompetitif gila ada biar keren bagi sale dan bagi media keren bagi kru te how pernah nombor gila lek kata 50th senior nationals but hak Khubor mo daga sa gila perpoi daga jengerap jengki perlu perzor jengerap jengki berdan sim gila lah mempai ke tim setiap te tang hadin si benai jung benai no ber la don saka veteran dari nak kenal saka jing mom don ni kapan saka mo ni perkat nam tai ni kena ber jung nyim sim la pa ki veteran te dari ni la bu jung moti ba la mung no ni ban pa ki sub juniors jung ni dari ko ban no karang jing kala ni no grade ki juniors but youth te dari hakari kasin mataru ni sem jing sibon hak badai bapan but tak jenglet storm ni jong para members kibala mo sponsor ya kan jenglet jongi te ngila sudah simram ni parlo parzuar kenang ban la ban penuh ya tak jeng tu ko ngila bu na du pastang ban simti ya kan asyik
Satu PTM mentang nyerung syakawin kisnang kebenaran po Southwest Kastil District banginya pej balai ya kini kisnang lai kateng kumni but kai ka history kebenaran haldet jogan ikasno ban poi sya kan ikasno ya banyak ngamba jong kawa umni kadi kawa kawin kiwa kiba pauna ba po adikasi jang tiapat hakani kawa kadi kawa kaba itenat ba kaba kibri ke jus tengah bon kai pengat kidondu kibar ban kai ban bam khana ba kidondu Shibun kibri ke bastana ban khwai da khak jiwan khwai hakan kawa pakalong rukawa ka ba ki jing khui ke kan ke ba kham taw ke duk namar ki nagani kawa kibri ke julum yo siap kini ka wa ka tu nyane ka ya lomba bun teli kisnong hadu bahkan dapoi haki benta ke balong badan jong ka thain barat ba nabrat par ka tu sagi benta jong kari jong Bangladesh Malaysia no Malaysia tai so ke gini so tu ban tongdok tongdok kamu tu bu nawak ne tu bu nap ti to batai garung no kadok ane ji kadang kan dok ti red dok sanai rồi ta ka bớt ti rong he yang dah arung ne pat kam mi sui saban kami karung sini sini ka oh kiliak pan kesem kum ne Bu, yo adap ini sedap-sedap. Teng. Di mana kau senang ni? Lau boleh. boleh. Kini kerja kau apa pun itu nak ada. Pun pernah kini kau ini kisirip kau ni.
Kisirip ni.
Kamu kini ulang betul betul tak? Mana pas nak pada kini?
Don senang.
Senahin ya, nak senang.
Kau tanya wei.
Ya buat sini ki, lau boleh ki bayar kini pas senang kini.
Buat
Cari don balik tong.
Don tentang.
Kamu pernah kini bersegi selek itu bah. Dah jadi relationship.
Saya ro kan.
Ah.
Simit kan.
Kalau kau bayar karon nak kamu.
Don dah.
Oh nak apa?
Thal itu don. Tambari sudah kan.
Tang larung akan nikah. Wini kisnong kebenar po South West Kasil District. Bahkan kisnong kerja ke keteng kisnong Jakrem. Esen na penjong pi piat tiap ya kisnong Jakrem. Kadun hai bat kalong kumluh rai. Esen pun na penjong pi bat tiap kamar iu Jakrem. Esen katakan penengo. Oh baik pi bapet ten rai. Umtai bangin ai ka jengmut ke keteng jo kisnong ningen. Ya pe du ye ka khana jo kan kisnong kumluh kabi. Kai kibir ki basong ni kai ka kam ka kibir ki trai. Lembah jangan ada program nak Taiew ngin sarung si kisnong bat. Agak cukup poru, ngira bantuan si kisnong jumpi, hakan nak kapor. Nak kedau long kepala kere, tiap dekat jemut dekat kisnong jumpi, ke ikam kabaki beri kitrai, bat penjuru, ke ikam khana lengkot, dan ikam khana pateng kepada nak bawa kisnong kita jumpi. Kisnong Jakrem, kadek kawin kisnong kibah hitam, kibadan hakahima mamaram, Hasal West Kasil District. Kadek kisnong kadang kejeng hiak kembali 10 km ikan lenter. Kadi kasnong kabar dan kalanti benlek sama korwat. Kadai ru kasnong kabar rembah akan dikatakan kabar don ru ya kamariang kabar itana saudong jongka.
Hang ni aja kerem kadai kejaka bala syong sinong nongkong dos imson. Musim ban nongkong des imson.
Kodong son ka beriu ne
beriu des im.
Sim jongka mamara.
Hot. Imson bala syong Ulasong walong sim nung kong ni hapo mamaram tim u. Te tin ta din tak sebut kini kisim kiwe kini kibahatin baru ni simson apa uyap hang ni step hang ni haktat sport nomor kedang dei kapor imat kedang bun kani kapisasau kidon kini kiri teman lada yap sim balik tep sim kita iban lum pak tu sasau bat pret hau pajwa bubun tik tu pajwa kalong kebapen kumik hadu kata dia kenru dia karib sa nomor dia tur syakmat banyu iya kita kadong sim dia ketar komra te kini kibahing sam ki pret de sasau.
Kani kasnong gadai ke baim hakarap karyang baraka yau kahat barki widi kikam baki beri kitrai kat kum kani kacuk ke pemerintah.
Hang ne tikur kemenikong kini ki ijat cerwa nanta ki tongwa nanta ki walang nanta ki simli nanta ki simyong nantaki karwanyang, ki karwar, nantaki marweng, nanti katar kelajat ki don, nampai kawan song ni.
Kamu kibri ki bayar somnya sang ni kia train tak ban.
Kibun kiba suyara berang Kam tam akpor tungpan ki yara pan, akpor pu pentor ki yara kuba, dia akpor kumah kini kipor, tam belum malam kelaya sedang ban yara kucuri jep, mula akaba long kaba kam pular ada pan kuba batu hodam batu pan karo giong.
Tapi kini ki niat senam niat putih senam lap long ekspor kalau senam mentah jika kamdon ni kijing kelak niat kawai kalong ba kawai deh kamera kamera ki babun ki jongi hang ni kimla pelut posu kumba kalong beswa long kimla long kata karkom bakarep karek beswa im jabet nak karep karyang re mentai sang marba cingnon juga di sekolah kalau kijing kelak ki babun lah kita cakap yo kahat dari kita yo kam yo jam sarkar kumtat kiwi kam kontraktor bat kumtat ter te rei kuma kalau mutahi ka kamrep kamriang kalau lap kibabun kita kibru kinongrep hi tang balong kem ka kamrep kamriang hi kam dalok ek taka palap long banเป็นมิพิซาลำน้องแต่กีฬาตั้งมันใช่เลยดิแต่ก็ไม่จริงทุกขนาดแต่งอย่างกีฬาชัวมาชัวกีไม่อิตมันกีฬางี้กีทุกปากีเปรี้ยวชัวฮากีโพสน้ำอยู่ว่าฮากีสปอร์ตน้ำมันชัวก็ยกหัดได้ซะมองหับพอยย้ายไปดักขจัดพอยดักขจัดพอยได้สิ่งนั้นก็บักษาโน่ครับบักษาแต่กาเก็บผ่านกีจริงดีจริงเดียกเลยดีเลยเทียดเลยไปสมองหับมันตาบันที่มันตาแต่กาที่มันตาไปกาบักคำบวนกีกันได้กี่กมกรันกับบางกีนับบันเลยasin kisngiru hakini kisngiawai haki pesan
Haswa mengenai tu balik lakot ia kan ekstrong dekat kerteng jakram tu kena ngap shua hadu kat nu kita rasnong jo kan ekstrong kitip na ikan ekstrong kayo ia ka kerteng nah gimana no
Ngan tadi.
Asyik nak tadi.
Nalai mu ba.
Sana dan telah buat.
Kene.
Sebentar mah. Tapi kerteng kamu no?
Kerteng silent.
Silent. Jangan.
Mesin jauh.
Kini senang jadi pipi tu ka kerteng kamu no senang?
Jakram.
Jakram. Tapi tiap kamu itu jakram. Kamu no. Beli orang jakram ni senang. Hah?
Ida badai senang jakram, tu siang senang jakram.
Tiap panjang mut.
Kan jomut.
Kau tiap moment jakram.
Kan re.
Kan re.
Sudah senang jakram, tu siang mang jakram.
Ini senang fikir tenggai?
Jakram.
Jakram. Tiap kamu jakram. Tiap. Wah, tiap mana? Tiap kamu jakram. Mana betul? Sa senang, ayu?
Jakram.
Kamu jakram.
Tiap.
Wah.
Tiap.
Tiap. Mana betul mana tu?
Tiap.
Pihak kami dapat kini kaba kinam ya ka sino jakram namar nadon dah thai ki yak yong hana bakadon kataka kadon ki kenja klam ti kidon kane ka sino mi kam dei hang ni kadon ta ka jakka ka bai khot jin mu nong ba te khot jin mu nong ba anda hang ta ki song ki sa pai ba jong ka sino jakram te hang ta ki anda la wan kataka jingjia kumta kataka klam te kia peri no anda ki peri ki won peri spo kene ka bangi penuh nomta ki don bun krem te kede kata kan bisa khot jakrem par kumjur ka por ki don kato kene so ki khana pateng ba ki ong ba mun swang ne ki don kataka jaka ka ba na ki liang ken ki sim ka don mar hang ne swat phong sim ni mani kong sim ki son sing sim tiki don kadon kenjat thama kawe kin kia la thama tiki lek phari po tiki krem tiksa lek ai ja pade tek po krem bai song ja krem
Orang tak kau phari usni
em kia phari ki paj ba kabani kong kadai kata ka ba yap klam ni ka so namar ta por ba yap klam tiki wen ri bai namar kim sa kim nut chu ban song po kata ka snong kata ka jinmu nong ba namar ka jakrem ka ding ning kong kata po jinmu nong ba Tehere hak takpor te ndala kambun tiki sawan nang kata kijimu nong ba keu ni herno ane kot nam no ka jakrem
jakram ni kambuat ya bagi ajai kibel di masa
program ho song jakrem ho kadai be jakrem le aja program
Wei ni kiru temen jokan kasnong uma jayan boleng khoi udon pat dakawi ka khana naman barim hakabedi bakasnong jakram
Katau ka kerteng sinong jakram katkum ka history balai syaka balai keleng-keleng nio kan mar kene sinong jakram mensua kolong ka skai la tma bab kiton ber sotong kini kharainat te haba yela
mano bela tma
hakita por katmar kejengila tma kita por kedai por ba yela ka kasenteng bat kini kitong wa kita kisenteng betong wa kila tmana ka benta bakini kitong wa kidon la kajong kajing kenya ban kenya da ki kenja da ki kenja merat te kata kijing le niam juki te din kata kim semyo yo no merat te ki penyap no yo to masi jong kisenteng hang ti hajen munong pa jan pumi te kini kisenteng te kisiada da katma tang ba kam dalong kata katma ya ayu hindi kasulong kat kenja tma ktien ta te kini ki pajba jakram no song sinong ni ki factory ino hakini kram ki badon harut nong ki kram ki balang nyam dak spa te hangta ki bam ki ati ki ayu te dai nakta ka dau bak ainam jakram
Kasnong jakram kala paunam namar bagadon ya kene ka omset ani ka bagi pak nadu ki por meswa ki youtube ka omset jakram kalau makani ka jaka kene ka omset meswa ka hab apo kasnong jakram tama mata kala hab no ka jong kasnong hapo kene ka jaka ka omset jakram ki don ki temen ki jungai nai ba kadon ka omset ka ka bakrut ka bami ka bagi bru ki bapang ki ba stom nani ki bru ki bami ki knyang ka ka jumki kila bayo jukaj na kene ka jaka manane ka ka bami apo jong kene ka jaka
kadai nado mensua tu kadai apa jakram ni desa khot spring jakram kadai kahap hepo jing pe jong kesong jakram mar ka jing pe jong kesong jakram mensua nado tu kawa mengi hadu sua tu kawa ban poi spo mukrwat te kadai ka area ba pe haka jisensar dan haka jepun kuch nang pet kutau de kesong jakram hoy
menta ka usit ka mesu
hoy menta kum chete haji haka sensar snau serta long kala adai jongka menjaranya
kene ka telong jok omset jakram ban om ka bami nang de kadang rut ha ban na bi ka dam nama ka jeng rut ban nang de kadi para penhai kene ka omset na tang ki kamera ha ka baki brio kila ban sum ketika sum dong na ta ki kente ba sindang ya ka balasna la ka jong ki kamera
na tu dangrit lai supna omset te tang ba mensua kani ku musit kadang kun brum kun bram kani ke jakka kini kirut ki kiar ki bodon ki to ki mau senrang ki don kini ki snap seng ki bajuan lau ki por sisin ki snap te hak to por ba lada lek sum nang kong ki juyo ay kini ki kenjak nyang ayure namar ki kum kenrut kini ki mau yu te kani kumsit kala Islam kani na tu bangi dang stang tibru kala don pa
kaki temen lai mensuagi ong ba balik kami kumsit
oh kita mentai ki suang ba kawan sum kasni ong ki ong kawan sum kasni kasalong ni
kadai kita maksudnya sum ha jakram dan pang
kaya day pun kini ki sosnong kini ki ban tay na sor leni keleng sotong ki don ki kenja jipang ki ba umsit kalaban kuat
kamalapan pa mene ba kasno jakram kade guys nong ka ba ka judon ba ka jingile thama bat hakipor ke ba murswa ka sno jakram kade headquarter leni kita jakatrikam jong ke maram bat mentang ngila ban sisai kade da menginrong ta yeng jong u sim kisan sing sim obrong wen ki sim ke manda jong ka hima maram bat obalaki ka khet akasem saja praspa nyo punyo bat hangde ngila ban yu i ki kendro no kendro ke bala te do sim se ha to kapor ki kendro ke ba nabi ki por ndai bat ngila ban yu i ru dari ya kham hajan ya kar kom te kendro jong ki ri ndai ya ka jing start ki menda ka ba kim penan kam ya ki bilat ne ka son ke ba long ka kapor mentan rai kini ke jing te long ke jing te jong ki ri ndai ka jing te ka ba jeli ke ba ngim tep hanur kom ki la ban penondur ye ni ki mau bat ka ni ka de ka ba kyong ka khadop ban rong sa yeng jo SIM Kisan Sing SIM kaba nang pensak pateng haduk mentah kemat ladang ikan haduk kacam saja kasba nyo penyo haduk mentah kasnem ada fo kemat lang lakapalat snem ndai kini kakerok kadang yang bat kadang scam haduk mentah ora lagi adon katok ni ruki mau ki jeng penpah kat mungkin ka juk kaba mentah tenang ni pat hang ni apo kadi ka plau jong isim jong SIM Kisan Sing SIM Kisan Sing SIM yong bat lagi tu ini dikira mang ni bagadan ru ke jaka ha ka bau SIM musau bu bahkan logum kata ka patok ha ka ba laju set iki lese ki rusi niki pat ki bru ki ba le ikam sni hapo jangan ki hima ki bitang nyapet ya kata ka jaka ka ba labu man logum kata ka patok kadi ka jaka hakaba usim Kisan Sing SIM yong sim di kay mamaram ula pelong kum kata ka patok hakapor ka jing sa ka jung u ka patok para gitiep bakari ka jaka ka baset ki rusni ki bamban ban ulius iem ka jing jinga ka jing start ka jung u kanang baki long din ka jung kinum sna ki nong ring biang hakani ka jaka ka baset ki rusni ki bamban ula thong da kini gidik mengilabi ni gidik ke teman ha bat ka jitu ga hi long kata hi ka ba kanang baki long din ke jogu kinum sina shu ki yi ki sem ha ka jaka ka bala set i gerus ni
Karkom sensar snong na kalian juga menteri tinggal don sakta eksekutif komiti na ka eksekutif komiti kala don sakta bilik cukup menta terter nang ta ki don sakini ki komiti namar ka snong jungi ka ba kamhe ni don hadu santali dong mate on ritali te hang ta ki don gini ki rangbat dong haman laki dong tinggal ai ki sukai nak kam ke ba rit baria ke kila besar hi tadi haman ki dong terena anda le de kam ke bala kam kam apa de kila poi pusnong kata long kap ba pe tang kini ki sukai nak kis ke balong sukai nak na ka kam sinsar khadar ka dia pe lang hi na kam besar ya pe lang hi hare ka ba kongsan long da na kle nyokar klamla bani tu kera no aku kunti eksekutif kunti senang akadar bar senang
kemudian pergi ke menteri mo
menteri ka SIM mahram tik khot menteri bar khot na kila don hadu chispa ni pho kono telik senang hapo SIM mahram tik dai ba kim menteri kim dai sardar kim long kom ke SIM ki khot sardar ni ki khot entai headman ni ki rei SIM mahram pade ni ki menteri senang
Mungkin menteri juga lima,
hoi nga
pok kahima pidi menteri.
Hapok kahima hoi ni te lalai bani SIM. Hare ka kabinet jong SIM ka long kita don jong ka eksekutif komiti tenga klam dei hapok jong ka kabinet jong SIM. Te hare long la dajia ku nok no na kaliang SIM khena SIM klat no tele nginia thung SIM no ko ngila don ka hok hoi.
Kesong jakram kala penmiru ya kiru krau kiru shampang hakisnam kibra laino barwini kini udai Manuel Jarin
denang nak kesong jongi ha ka ba la penmi wei uru krau jongka bade nak dok thang jongi tai dei ba Manuel Jarin bade khun ksiu jok tok SIM son te uba ni dei bru ba nengkong ban pas ya kedan pi na kan himam haram ha ka baula trei ro kum engineer po jong ka railway tak juga railway bat hadian lang ta sa pendap ya ka LLB bat bat jen halu ba rasam thai jukum bataya kam ai
Kembali long kiwi kisnong hari khasi kerja keram ke kisnong kembali grup lut ya baru kerja niam hapo jongka ha kabakalan ke balang kristan ba juru ke skul ke blaseng dah ke kenhuan balang bapher
LP ke don kuma alpha tali ki secondary mat ya khat sau tali kita ha
Kila buon makin skul ni.
Kila buon ha.
Ini susnong kan ngot happy dan berapa koi.
Antat thi sau jar tam thai.
Sau jar tam ini susnong kiyeng.
Kiyeng ru nyospa.
Nyospa ai kai doi.
Nyospa ru fulai. Nyospa ru fulai tli klong yeng ha.
Sau jar ini susnong.
Ha.
Magi hab bai hawe ka sinong.
Ha ko sinong ha wei mtri ha.
Shopping in Pinkot की खुबर इन पिंसों बियां शफिया की फांगी बकौंसान साशिसियन राखी का जिला मेघालय या का रिपब्लिक डे पिंतिकना UDEO का रिभॉय बन पिनलोंग या का इलेक्शन MLA 2000 का बखोज बट का बयाय बेद दकी 4000 तूत की नौकरशान के NPP शागजिंग अलंग हागारो हिल्स Pelat manifesto ka seng TMC bo shipotali ki mat ki bakongsan hakmat ki pajba Mensau laingut haga jinga tukho kali ha dulong nar Haga sports prangut ki kina najala kin mikmat yaga jala haga 47th Junior National Carom Board Championship Bad ki bei de ki Khubor Bad da kitu gin penkut noi gini ka Khubor gini ka tio menta ngin sia shambiang bad pi baro ha ka tai kuwi pat ka tio ka banwan kublei pi baro bat yaso